Guess what, y'all? I'm about to do something just a little bit crazy, a little bit unorthodox, and a little bit counter to what my overall goal right now with building muscle is. But I hope that it helps illustrate a point, or makes me a fool, one or the other. So I'm in a bulk right now, right? I'm doing 6,000 calories. I'm bulking up, trying to build as much muscle as possible. You know, you don't want to like go into a cut when you're doing that, so I'm not going to go into a cut. I want to prove a point, and the point I'm trying to prove is, are carbs necessary? I get so many questions right now about incorporating carbs for endurance sports, whether that be cycling or running or any of that stuff. And I say no, but I'm not an endurance athlete. Like, I'm a bodybuilder, and I'm not running 100 miles. I'm not you know, cycling. I'm not doing triathlons or ultra marathons. So when I say no, it's based off of the experience that I have with myself, and then the experience that I have with just other people that I brought onto the podcast and questioned and formed a relationship with. But I don't like leveraging other people's words and just hearsay when I'm giving advice. So I'm gonna run a marathon, okay? I haven't run 10 miles this entire year. No joke, legitimate. I do Stairmaster and I walk. I haven't run 10 miles this entire year. And I just signed up for a marathon on the 29th of this month. It's the Heart and Soul Marathon in Jonesboro, Arkansas. All the proceeds go to help with like heart research and just kind of like medical aid and education in like the local community there. So I'm not gonna do any training. I just bought a pair of shoes the other day. They should come in here soon. I might run a little bit in those just to break the shoes in, but I'm not gonna do any training. And I'm not gonna eat any carbs. I'm not gonna do any UCAN. I'm not gonna do any Gatorade. I'm not gonna do any of the aid station carbohydrate loads. I'm not gonna eat a whole bunch of pasta the night before. But I'm gonna go run this 26.2 miles, fully ketogenic, and that's all I gotta say about that. With no training, you just go for it. I'm not gonna probably break any land speed records because I'm not an endurance athlete, but I'm gonna do this to illustrate a point, and for one, just to satisfy my curiosity. So, do you need carbohydrates during an endurance event? My theory is no. My theory with endurance running or cycling, whatever it is very similar to my theory with natural bodybuilding on a ketogenic diet, and that is that you have to allow your body to get fully adapted, and that takes longer than 6 months. It takes longer than showing 0.5 or greater on the ketone meter. You know, I've been keto, strict keto, for 4 years now, and that is a lot different than being keto for 6 months. It's a lot different than being keto for 1 year even. You get into a deeper level of ketosis, and that's why I named that course Deeper State Keto. But that's beside the point. You get into like a deeper level of adaptation, and that becomes your new norm. And that takes longer than 6 months, especially if you've been eating carbs your whole life. But my theory is that your performance not only can compete with carbohydrate-based athletes, but improve and be better than and exceed that. And I'm not saying that I'm gonna be better than a whole bunch of marathon runners that are eating carbs, because I ain't never run a marathon and I ain't trained for this. But I'm gonna do it without training, without carbs, fully keto adapted, and we'll see what I learn from it. So come the 29th of this month, my vlog is gonna showcase me running my butt off. Get ready. I just realized that my shirt and my wall both have my logo. Pretty cool. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's 3 logos in one room. Can't beat that. All right, catch y'all later.